Hey folks, it's me, Miss Rogers, and unfortunately I have to be out again today. I have a doctor's appointment over in Odessa. So you get to watch this video of the notes that we were going to do together in class. So you get to do them with me on video. So today we're going to talk about angles, parallel lines, and transversal notes. There's also a video online that Khan Academy did that is also very good to watch. So let's recap. Parallel lines are lines in a plane that never intersect. For example, line FE remember you put the arrows on it for a line. Line FE is parallel to line EC. Okay, so we knew that. So a transversal is a line that crosses or that intersects that crosses up here two or more other lines. Line AD is a transversal. Okay, so we know that this line is parallel to this line. So let's mark our picture. We don't have a marking for the transversal, but we see that it crosses line FB. I wrote this wrong, FB. I said it right, I bet. FB intersects EC. It's parallel, sorry. I'm messing things up. Okay, which I'll do that often. Y'all know that. Types of angles. Complementary, we talked about that already. Two angles that equal 90 degrees. Supplementary, two angles that equal 180 degrees. Interior angles. So when we talk about interior angles, look for the insides. This is the inside. Interior. Angles formed by a transversal and the line it crosses. And they are inside the parallel lines. Okay, back to our program. I had to talk to a teacher. Okay, so interior angles are formed by transversal and the line crosses inside the parallel lines. So let's look at these. I'm going to use my red pen. 3, 4, 5, and 6 are interior angles. Exterior angles formed by a transversal and the line it crosses outside the parallel lines. I'm going to use my teal. So I'm going to color outside. This is my exterior. Exterior. I have two portions. All right. Okay, number 5. Alternate. What does alternate mean? Well, it means every other one, doesn't it? So 2 angles formed by a transversal and the line it crosses on opposite sides of the transversal. I'm going to underline it. Alternate angles have the same measurement. Therefore, are congruent. The 3 dots in a triangle means therefore. So let's go up here. Alternate interior. I'm going to flip over to the back here. So I'm going to draw some parallel lines and a transversal. This angle right here and this angle right here. These are alternate interior, or one set. I'm going to draw the other set over here. I'm going to do them in teal. This one and this one. Alternate interior. Here's this one. We have alternate interior. We can also have what? Alternate exterior. So I'm going to do red. Here's this one. Where's the alternate exterior? Well, it means on the opposite side, but on the other one down here. Okay. Alternate exterior for the other one would be on the other side and down here. Okay, those are our 4 alternates. Alternate interior, alternate exterior. Those are all congruent. This one is congruent to that one. This one's congruent to that one. I think the hardest ones to see are the exteriors because they're not really, I can see the interiors a lot easier than the exteriors. Exteriors, okay? On the other side again. Corresponding. 2 angles on the same side of the transversal. on a different line. Two angles that share corresponding angles have the same measurement. Okay, I missed a line. Two angles on the same side of the transversal on a different line. Corresponding angles have the same measurement. And let's turn over to the back again. We're not going to look at that picture. We're going to make our own. So I'm going to draw a pair of parallel lines with a transversal and a pair of parallel lines with a transversal. Okay, corresponding angles. Okay, and there's one. If I take that angle and I slid it down, where would it look like on this line? It'd look like this one right here. Right? Okay. If I take this angle and slid it down, the transversal, slide the line down the transversal to the next line, it would end up right here. Okay, I need another pair, because I've got two more. If I take this one and slide it down the transversal, it would end up right here. If I take this angle and slide it down the transversal, it would end up right here. These are my four corresponding angles. Okay? You have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. Vertical angles are two angles that share a vertex, but not a side. Vertical angles have the same measurement. Okay, so let's turn this over and look at this one. So I have a pair of parallel lines cut by a transversal. Vertical angles would be where an X is found. So here's this one. The vertical angle to it is this one. Here's this one. What's the vertical angle to that one? Is this one right here. Okay. Here's this vertical angle in orange, and its pair is right here. And here's this vertical angle right here, matching to this vertical angle right here. So this is my vertical angles. And one thing that's left off of this page are the same side interior and same side exterior. And alternate interior, no, we got those. Okay, so draw another pair of these. And mark this one, and this one. And over here, mark this one, and this one. These are the same side interior angles. They are supplementary. What does supplementary mean? They add to 180. If they start with an S, they're going to be supplementary. All right, draw another pair if you have room. And this time we're going to fill in this one and this one. And this one we're going to fill in this one and this one. These are the same side exterior angles. Starts with an S, so they are supplementary. Got one more for you. Okay. Trying to think what these are called. I know the name is just stuck in my head. I call these linear pairs. There's another name, I can't think of what they are called, that starts with an S. So this angle and this angle are called a linear pair. Why are they called a linear pair? Well, they add up to a line. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. There are 8 linear pairs on here. So these are also supplementary. Okay? All right. So we have talked a lot about these angles and things. I'm going to let you work on your worksheet now. If you have any questions, save them for tomorrow. Have a good day.